Ji, uh, I would like to share my satsang. Uh, I was taken into Guruji Sharan in 2019. Two of my friends came to my house one day, and they started talking about Guruji, and they said that they were attending satsang every day, very often, and they started talking about Guruji to me. I knew nothing about Guruji because, uh, first of all, I was very much into Shirdi Sai Baba, and I used to go to Shirdi Sai Baba Mandir, go to Shirdi, and Guruji I did not know. I did not know anything about Guruji. So when they were telling me about Guruji, I was very interested in listening to what they were saying and all the stories that they were telling me about Guruji. You see, I have always had faith in gurus because my parents from childhood we have been brought up, uh, believing gurus. My parents were followers of Ramakrishna Paramahans, and we used to go from childhood to Ramakrishna ashram in Mumbai, and wherever we went, we had to go and visit Ramakrishna Mutt. So I have always had faith in gurus. When they were telling me, I got very interested about, you know, attending a satsang with them. So I asked them, when is the next satsang? I would like to come with you too. And they said that it is going to be about in a week's time. And it so happened that that day, the day when I decided to go was Mahashivaratri. And Guruji actually called me and took me in his sharan on Mahashivaratri day, and I can't tell you that how happy I was to attend that day, that satsang. For the first time, I was introduced to Guruji, and I was so mesmerized by Guruji. And you see, I'd heard the stories about Guruji and his kripa on people and what all he has been doing. So, and the kripa that people have had of his, that point of time I was very, very disturbed. I was mentally disturbed. So that's why I actually wanted to go, because for two reasons. One is I have a friend, elderly friend, who was very ill. Uh, she was a friend, though I used to call her Didi. She was into her 80s, she was early 80s. She was critically ill. She was in a hospital, and she was in a coma. She was on ventilator, and doctors had given her only 48 hours. She was very critical. At the same time, my niece, who was suffering from lumbar cancer, was suffering, and she was at the last stage of her life, cancer. And but she, I wanted her to go, and these two people were disturbing so much. So I went to Guruji's satsang, and I prayed to him, and I told Guruji that, Guruji, I know nothing about you, but what I've heard from people, that you have the power to heal, and if you can heal my, first of all, my niece, and either she gets healed or she goes, and my friend who's in the hospital, Mrs. Meera Jaikar, and she's critical. Please, please, please take care of these two cases. And with that prayer, I was given that day, because it was my first satsang and it was Mahashivaratri day. They gave me a kit with Guruji's Sharan, Guruji's Charan Swarup, Guruji's Swarup, framed Swarup of Guruji. Then I got books on Guruji, pendants, and also some CDs of the Shabads. With that, I came back very, very happy, and I was feeling so bad that my husband could not come. He wanted to come, but he was misinformed. They told that it is the satsangs are attended by only women and not men. But when I went there, I saw so many men. There were 50% men. All the women's husbands had come, because it was Mahashivaratri day. But anyway, first I had to be connected to Guruji, and then my husband. So I came and I told my husband that you have to come for satsang next time. It was an amazing experience, and I can't tell you, my disturbed mind was put at rest, and I was at peace all through the Shabads. Okay, then after that, the the charan ka jo swarup hai, that I kept it on a sideboard, and I placed my niece's picture against the swarup of Guruji, and I told Guruji उनका चरण पे रखा था, and I told Guruji that Guruji, please do something about my niece. Either she should get well or she should go peacefully. And within 3 days, we got the news that she's passed away. She was suffering from lumbar cancer, and she was in a very, very painful state. And so Guruji took care of that and took her away. And we were happy to hear this news, because though sad, but at the same time happy that she did not have to suffer anymore. Then now it was time for us to go to Calcutta, because for the 11th day rituals that we have. And here was my friend Mrs. Meera Jekar in the hospital and in a coma. So we went to meet the doctors before we left, and the doctors said that she's got only 48 hours. She's on ventilator, and she's not going to survive, looks like. So everybody should be informed, her relatives. She was a widow, and she did not have children, and she treated us like her children, and she had sisters and brothers who were away, not in Chennai. I am from Chennai, so they were not in Chennai. Anyway, with a heavy heart we went to Calcutta, and we went and attended the ceremonies. When we came back, first thing we did was go to the hospital to check on her. And to our surprise, to our delight, to our very pleasant surprise, the doctor said that she's made it. She has made it, and she is going to live. We have taken out the ventilator, and she is going to survive. And now we are going to, from ICU, she will be shifted to a regular room. We could not believe our ears. This was Guruji. This was absolutely Guruji. My faith in Guruji was so confirmed that Guruji was indeed Lord Shiva, as they said, because this was no human being could have done. It was only divine. It was a divine help that came from Guruji, and Guruji gave her a new life. For 6 months she lived a very, very normal, healthy life, quality life. And after 6 months, when she passed away very, very peacefully. She was talking in one moment, she was having a tea, and then she just collapsed. It was like Guruji came and took her away in a chariot. Those 6 months she lived a very, very contented, happy and quality life. And I thank Guruji for the whole thing. After all, she had to go, but she did not suffer in the end. She went very, very peacefully. And I have my gratitude to Guruji. Shukrana Guruji, लाख शुक्राना. हर दिन, हर पल, हर क्षण शुक्राना. आपका कृपा हम सब पे बने रहे. जय गुरुजी, जय गुरुजी.